XGRID's Portalcam, Real Estate Industry Guide. In this video, we demonstrate how XGRID's Portalcam can be used in the real estate industry. Pre-scanning preparation. Before scanning, take out Portalcam from the product protective case. Check the battery level by pressing the power button. To recharge Portalcam, first hold the battery latch to remove it from the main body, then connect it to a power source via a Type-C USB cable. After charging, insert the battery back into the main body and switch on Portalcam by holding the power button. Open the LCC Scan app on your phone and follow the on-screen instructions to connect Portalcam. You can start a new scan by holding the record button in the LCC Scan app or by double-pressing the device button on Portalcam. Scanning techniques. Before scanning a room, make sure to switch on all the lights. If necessary, place extra lights in the room to ensure the entire room is sufficiently illuminated. Now open all the doors along your scanning path, as modifications during the scanning process can result in artifacts. To scan a room, first pick up Portalcam and hold it firmly. Walk around the room slowly while holding Portalcam steadily. Reduce walking speed when scanning darker regions. Scan from different angles to avoid blind spots from appearing in the resultant model. For rooms with high ceilings, make sure to scan twice from both a high and a low positions. Make sure to cover every corner of the room. To prevent artifacts from forming around mirrors in the resultant model, avoid showing your reflection when scanning near a mirror. To end and save the current scan, hold the record button in the LCC Scan app or double-press the device button. Data processing. To transfer the scanned data onto a computer, first switch on Portalcam, then connect it to a computer using the included USB Type-C cable. After the computer has detected Portalcam, copy the data from the model folder to your local drive. In some cases, it might be necessary to enable USB mode manually by pressing the device button briefly and again once the device indicator light turns white. After data transfer is complete, eject the device on your PC before unplugging the USB cable and switching off Portalcam by holding the power button. To generate a 3D model from the scanned data locally on a computer, open LCC Studio. Select the files transferred from Portalcam. Select the quality. In general, higher quality settings result in longer processing time. After adjusting the settings, model generation can be initiated. While the processing is running, try to avoid using other demanding applications on the PC. Once the processing is completed, the generated model can be viewed directly in the LCC viewer. Alternatively, a 3D model can also be generated from the scan data on the cloud by using LCC Cloud. Simply upload the scan data and start the model generation. The generated model can be viewed online and downloaded in various formats. Real estate applications. One way to make use of the generated 3D model in a real estate business is to produce a virtual tour video of the scanned property using LCC Studio. Start by opening the generated model in the LCC viewer on your PC and click on the Model Fly-Through button. Move the playhead along the timeline, then adjust the camera view along key locations or important details of your tour and add keyframes. You can preview the generated camera path by pressing the play button. Once you are satisfied with the result, adjust the end time and click the Video Output button to turn it into an MP4 video file. Another way to use the generated 3D model is to upload it to the LCC online viewer, where it can be shared with clients directly. That way they can view the 3D model interactively from their own device. To get started, open the generated model in the LCC viewer on your PC. Adjust the camera to your desired default view, then click the Starting Point and Reset Starting Point buttons. You can add annotations such as more detailed information or website links at specific locations in the model by clicking the Notes button. You can now close the LCC viewer and click on the three dots next to your model, Online Publish and Publish. To restrict access to the model, you can set a password. Then click Share. After the upload is completed, you will receive a URL that you can directly open in your browser and share with clients. To include the model in your existing portfolio website, you can add a custom HTML block in your website editor and use the HTML embed element as follows and adjust the source URL. And that is how XGRID's Portalcam can empower any real estate business using state-of-the-art 3D scanning technology.